A special exhibition was held at the Paris Motor Show, celebrating the role of the car on the silver screen. Engine, the car at the movies, displayed historic film cars ranging from a 1977 Transformers Chevrolet Camaro, albeit a replica, to the actual Porsche 908 driven by Steve McQueen in the 1971 Le Mans film. A replica of the Ford Mustang from the 1968 film Bullitt, also starring McQueen, was on show, alongside a Dukes of Hazzard 1969 Dodge Charger, aka the General Lee. Modern-day film cars include James Bond's new Aston Martin DB10 from the film Spectre, as well as the DBS, which was heavily crashed in Quantum of Solace. No movie car collection would be complete without a Back to the Future DeLorean, flux capacitor and all, which was joined by a fellow 80s icon, a recreation of the Ghostbusters converted Cadillac ambulance, also known of course as the Ectomobile.